If you're both an underwater photographer and filmmaker, our test results confirm the Canon 1D X2 is hands down the greatest camera we've tested to date. It's a no-compromise professional photography camera capable of shooting both 20MP stills at 14 fps and 4K 60p video in incredibly low light. While it doesn't offer the raw video and flexibility of a RED, it shoots broadcast quality 4K motion at a fraction of the size and cost and outperforms favorites such as the Sony A7 series in low noise when tasked with the extreme requirements of underwater white balance. Backscatter has spent over 20 years finding the best underwater cameras, and we've learned that a chart-topping land camera is not always the best underwater camera. The new Canon 1D DxOMark II is a good example. While leading groups such as DxOMark give it a ranking of 21st place, we give the Canon 1D DxMK2 a clear first-place position for underwater applications. ISO performance results can vary greatly between underwater and land environments. Underwater we are forced to use extreme white balance settings of 30,000 K 50. Okay, or swim around with 10 lumen lights just to illuminate a subject 3 feet from the camera. These underwater requirements can turn land camera test results upside down. Our previous tests showed the Canon 1DC was a top performer with a maximum of ISO 1254 images in blue water and a maximum of ISO 2500 when shooting in high contrast or artificial light. The new Canon 1D DxMK2 now opens up blue water scenes to ISO 2500 and high contrast shots, such as caves or wrecks in ambient light up to ISO 6400 even at extreme white balance settings. White balance is less of an issue for underwater photography as raw files are easily corrected in post. For this application we do agree that cameras such as the Sony A7 series and Nikon D810 offer better low-light performance. But we found the Canon 1D X2's combination of great white balance capabilities, high bitrate video, and great ISO performance make it the best performing camera for photographer/videographer professionals.